By the way, a primary acceptor is a molecule that is able to accept electrons and become reduced during photosynthesis. Next, we are going to be talking about how chlorophylls and carotenoids cooperate in light absorption. We are going to learn about the two types of chlorophylls and then the second major group of photosynthetic pigments, which are the carotenoids. Chlorophylls and carotenoids are the two major groups of photosynthetic pigments. Chlorophylls A and B are only different by the side group that they are attached to at the X, which is shown on the diagram. In the shaded orange lines, light-absorbing electrons are distributed. In carotenoids, the electrons that absorbs light are distributed in a series of alternating double and single bonds in the backbone of the pigment. Now we must learn two key terms, which are the antenna complex and the reaction center. The antenna complex is a cluster of light-absorbing pigments embedded in the thylakoid membrane, and they're able to capture and transfer energy to a special chlorophyll A molecule in the reaction center. Next, the reaction center is a complex of proteins and pigments that contains the primary electron acceptor. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll A becomes oxidized and donates an electron to a primary electron acceptor. Carotenoids and chlorophyll B transfer this excitation energy to molecules of chlorophyll A, and they are referred to as accessory pigments because they do this after the light absorption. This set of accessory pigments is called the antenna complex, as we previously mentioned, and this antenna complex captures light energy and transfers it to chlorophyll A molecules. The antenna complex also transfers light energy to the primary electron acceptor in the reaction center at the same time. Based on the diagram shown, we can see the antenna complex capturing light energy and transferring it to the reaction center. The final thing we're going to learn about are photosystems, and these basically hold pigment proteins. There are two types of photosystems, and they are both composed of large antenna complex. The first one is photosystem 1, which include chlorophyll A and absorb light at a 700 nanometer wavelength. The second one is photosystem 2, which also has chlorophyll A but absorbs light at a 680 nanometer wavelength. That is all for this video, biologists. I hope you learned a lot about photosynthesis.